Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today we are going to study a very important topic for class 11th and 12th standard, note making. What is this note making? It's very important for you. Suppose you are in a class and the teacher is teaching a very important concept. It is difficult for us to remember everything. To overcome this difficulty, we note down important details. These notes help us in the time of need. This noting down of useful concepts and points is the basis of note making. So, what is note making? Noting down of useful concepts and points in the classroom, at home, or anywhere else. What is this note making? It's very important at home as well as in classroom for academic purpose, in examination purpose. So, let's see. Note making is a way of recording important details from a source that can be a book, article, class lecture, etc. Note making saves a lot of time. It is a skill which needs practice for improvement. Let's try to understand this with an example. Suppose you are a selector of a cricket team. You have plenty of players before you, some 400 players you have. Those 400 players you can assume as 400 words in your passage, the passage that is given in your examination. Now you have to select only 11 players for your team. You require only 11 players. So, first of all, what do? You select the captain of team. What will be the captain? Although it is not an easy task to select the captain, but it requires practice. Soon you'll be experienced enough. After a lot of practice, you'll get proper knowledge how to deal with these passages and try to find out. Once you have found out your captain, what do? You select other players. So this captain is your heading or title. The captain is the most important. So that captain is your heading, the title of note making. Other team members will be subheadings, points, and many more. What are advantages of note making? It's very important for us. So, what are the advantages? Importance in exam or in academic notes. Whether it is exam or you are making your academic notes, it doesn't matter what subject you are studying. It is important for each and every subject to make notes, systematic notes. Organization of main points that I was telling you. It helps us in organization of main points in a systematic way, in a chronological order, keeping the information handy. It is always ready for you. Your information is always ready for you in handy way. Helps in recollecting. These notes help you recollecting, recapitulating, remembering all those things you have studied or you have read. Helps in understanding, and this helps in better understanding as well. Now we'll talk about note making format, the very important where most of the student make mistakes. So what is the note making format? You have to be very careful. First of all, as you can see, the title, that is your heading. After reading the passage, you have to select a heading, and this heading must be a phrase only, not a sentence. So hardly 2 to 3 words. Then there will be subheading, and mind it, where you have written title, then after colon, as you can see here, colon, then heading, just below it there will be subheading. Mind this line. This 1.1 will be written here, As I have written before title, there is nothing, but there is space. Mind this line, this line. So subheading must be in alignment with title. Then you have to mention some points in subheading 1, and you will mention like that 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. And mind it, it must be aligned after leaving a space. There is some space. Suppose you have another subheading, then you have to make another space. First of all, in alignment with title subheading, then after leave some gap, s- then subheading points 1, 2, 3, and if you require any subheading, make another alignment. It will be cleared in next. Subheading second. So as I have written, subheading second 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Suppose you require subheading, as I told you, this is one alignment, and furthermore, if you require subheading, make another alignment. If you write like this, surely you will get good marks. And if you do not follow these rules, you will not be able to get good marks. So always remember, providing some space and making alignment. In the same way, subheading 3, I hope you understood now. Once again, I would like to show you from starting. Title, just below it, subheading, keeping the alignment, and then after, below subheading 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. If you require more subheadings, like I have 2.3 subheading, then you can mark it with Roman numerals. Now, the last in note making, that is very important, key to abbreviations. You have to make a table like this, and you have to mention 4 to 7, minimum 4 and maximum 7. Key abbreviations must be written minimum 4 and maximum 7. Do not cross the limit. As I have written some key words for literature, LIT, example, you know very well, government GOVT, namely WIZ. So you can use such abbreviations. What is the procedure of note making? Before proceeding further, we must understand what is the procedure of note making. So, what is the procedure of note making? The very first thing, most important, read the passage provided 2 times. You have to read the passage twice. How many times? Twice. Read it thoroughly. And while you are reading, underline the important sentences. Whatever do you think that is important in the sentence, try to underline. Underline important sentences in the passage. Make a rough note. Use pencil and make a rough note out of those underlined sentences. Organize them in logical order. Try to leave stories, whatever stories are given or any example is given. Try to leave stories and examples. Hold fast that which is good, as it was said by Mahatma Gandhi. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. So you have to choose, you have to prove all those things. You have to read the complete passage, but you have to choose that which is good for you, and that needs practice. Use the appropriate format. I have told you the format for note making. Do not change the idea of the passage. Do not change. Whatever is written, it must be written by you as well. Do not try your own ideas. So do not change the idea or the message of the passage. So once again, the procedure of note making, read the passage provided twice. While you are reading, underline the important sentences, leave examples and stories provided, make a rough note, organize them in a logical order. It must be logical, in sequence. Use the appropriate format and Do not change the idea or the message of the passage. Now, some other points to remember. It's very important for note making. You have to keep something in mind. Use a brief title. I told you in starting, it must not cross the limit of 3 to 4 words. Avoid using long sentences as heading or title. As I have told you, it must be written in phrase, not in a sentence. Never lose the main idea of the passage. Don't try your own idea. Write whatever is written in the passage. Ignore unnecessary information. I told you. Ignore examples, stories provided. Use logical sequencing. You have to write those sentences, those important sentences in logical order. As I've told you, the example of selecting a cricket team. First of all, captain, then most important, after captain, the wicket keeper, then batsman in sequence. Use proper indentation. Now, what is this indentation? I hope it's a new word for you. What is this indentation? Suppose I have written here one point heading, that is subheading 1, and then after I have left some space here, 1.1, then 1.2, 1.3. This space is known as indentation. This making, this leaving of space is known as indentation. So use proper indentation as I have told you earlier. Don't use your own idea. I have told you, don't use your own idea. Use abbreviations. I have told you how to use abbreviation, making a box. First abbreviation, then word. You can use color and symbols to make it attractive, to make your note attractive. You can use colorful pens and you can use symbols as well. But do not write any number in contraction, or do not try to write any number for abbreviation like I have written 4 for 4. That is not permitted. So try avoiding it. Don't try this.